Right. Coming to you, Teacher Nabaasa.
Yes.
For learners who receive these kits and are taught based on these kits, how will they be different from learners who study traditionally?
Thank you very much. The whole issue is to get a balanced learner. A learner with the same amount of knowledge translated into skills, values, and attitudes, which means we are looking at a learner who is not able to remember only, but they are also able to use the knowledge they have learned to solve a problem. I will start with the example. And usually at the primary level, when we talk about application, the population, I always see population making noise, they are thinking of a learner making a scan, which even at the university level we are not yet reaching there.
Right.
But we are looking at the best creativity of the learner. If the learner has learned about electricity, is he able to make simple electric appliances? And we have seen that vividly in the schools that are doing science exhibitions. Science learners are already doing some projects, small, and that is the best one we would like, which would not be able to. I don't remember myself even thinking about how, for example, to make something as simple as a torch. I don't remember, I even don't remember what we learned about it. It's just now that I'm a teacher, I say, hey, we actually learned these things. Exactly.
Sense, yes.
Even the population can usually, when we are talking about them, then you hear an adult saying, wow, come, I'm now understanding, and then I was not understanding.
Yes.
That is one of the things that we want to fight. We don't want crammers. That's why people always say that usually actual education is what happens when you have forgotten everything you learned in school. So we want everything that we have in school, carry it forward.
Yes.
Number two, we also want to look at the achievement of the 21st century skills. Can these learners collaboratively perform a task? When you look at it, everywhere where we work in teams. You are here, you have the producer, you have the camera. If any of that is not collaborating with you, obviously this program is not going to work. That is what we want to look at. Can these skills come out? Can they think critically? And now, how do these ones come in place? Critical thinking will not come when the teacher comes to class, talks, then gives notes, and then notes are copied into the books, and then the lesson is done. Critical thinking is going to come when learners are gathered performing a task. They are thinking, why is the torch not working? Why is the circuit not working? Maybe the wires are. They are thinking. When it comes to teamwork, collaboration, critical thinking, innovation, then they are saying, what if instead of using this, we do this? That is what we want, which is different from the other time where you come, you are taught, and what you are taught, tomorrow bring it and write it in an examination. You get 90 and say 100%. Lastly, learners attain values. As the learners are learning about first aid, there is something I always tell teachers today. Today an accident happened somewhere. Instead of people running to help, they get their phones. Hello, an accident has happened here. People are dying. Like this one is going to die, has died. Then they post on TikTok. That means that through the education system, the value of empathy was not instilled.
Yes.
One of the key things that the syllabus actually insists on. Now, those are some of the things we look. So we are looking at a wholesome child with balanced knowledge, values, skills, and attitudes.
Very profound indeed. Now, our time is